You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to fix missed call notifications that won't disappear from your iPhone's lock screen or notification center. First, try the standard fix. Open the phone app and go to the Recent tab. Find the missed call with the persistent notification. Swipe left on that call entry and tap Clear. This often removes the notification. If it remains, force quit the phone app. Swipe up from the bottom and hold. Find the phone app preview and swipe it up to close. Then restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. If the notification is stuck in Notification Center, try clearing all notifications. Swipe down from the top left to open Notification Center. Then swipe up on the notification list to reveal the Clear button. Tap Clear. For a deeper reset, check your focus modes. Go to Settings, then Focus. Ensure no focus, like Do Not Disturb, is configured to hide notifications, which can sometimes cause a backlog. Finally, update your iOS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Install any available updates, as bugs causing this issue are often fixed in updates. If none of these steps work, you can try resetting all settings via Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset all settings. This won't delete data but will revert preferences to default. For more simple iPhone fixes, subscribe to the channel.